Hello, my peeps. I'm here with a bunch of, I'm here with a couple of knives here. And this Maverick, this Smith & Wesson Maverick, that is pretty scratched up. A little discolored, scratched up. It's a really nice USA-made knife. It's really scratched up on this side. Got a wood insert grip. Really nice knife. It comes with a really nice sheath. The Smith & Wesson logo on there. Belt loop, pull dot. And we also have a Smith & Wesson American Series 6085. That is even more scratched up and discolored, and I'm going to work on the brass. I'm going to it is very scratched up. So I'm going to work on that, the handle, rehabilitate the leather sheath some, and I'm going to use a variety of methods. First, blue undergun cleaner. That's especially for the brass, with some steel wool, quadruple aught, 1000, and then to mirror polish everything, start off with 1000. You wet polish it. Here's my water. Start off with 1000 grit, move up to 1500 grit, move up to 2000 grit, and finish with the 3000 grit. And then you hit it with some others. Got my shop towels ready, and extra shop towels, because you always need more shop towels. And then I'm going to sharpen them with this. It's gonna be razor sharp, but just some of the tools used to get the grime and get these knives to looking very nice. I'll update you when I'm done.